So I'm here in the Two Tube Sessions room with ZASKA. How are you guys getting on?
Very well, thanks
Good.
for having us in.
A Bray band almost.
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 Yeah. Bavaria, Blanchardstown, and Bray.
Yeah, I love it. I love it.
Bees.
Yes, I'm also from Bray. I never stop saying it. Okay, we're obviously here to talk about the music. So tell us about ZASKA. Tell us about the band.
Yeah, it's kind of a big eclectic kind of influence. Funk, rap, and soul is kind of what ties it up all together. All kind of come through a jazz kind of idiom.
Yeah, because you've got like a jazz background. You've got like a degree in jazz.
Yeah. So that's kind of where a lot of the mishmash kind of happened.
Yeah, no, and I've seen you guys play before. There's usually a lot more than just three of you. Like you've got a horn section, you've got all sorts of stuff going on.
It's a full 8-piece band. Yeah.
Unfortunately, we couldn't fit everybody in. But like, how long have you guys been playing together?
About 3.5 years now.
3.5 years.
The band is always kind of changing, you know, because it's such a large kind of group. So, but yeah, Karen has been in it from the very start.
Yeah, brilliant.
I'm the loyal member.
I love it. And tell us a little bit about, like, because there's like rap in there as well, and there's like you do some covers too. But tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, there's the rapping thing kind of started because of my my lack of a singing voice. I was like, I need to get in there.
I love it.
Yeah, it's some stuff to say, so I kind of just figured that was the kind of way to do it.
It's the way to do it. Yeah, I love it. And when can people see you guys?
Yeah, we have an EP launch coming up on the 17th of May in the Sugar Club, and that'll be it's our debut EP, In Your Own Sweet Time. Brilliant. That's what the track is.
Yeah. This song doesn't have rap, but it's got some beautiful singing. So you guys take it away.
Cool. So 3, 4.
You're sitting in a darkened room. Your only light shines from the moon. You get your act together soon. As soon as you know what to do. I know I can't help. If only you can help yourself. All I can do is just sit back and keep my hope that you'll find what you are looking for
In your own sweet time.
in your own sweet time. In your own
sweet time. In your own sweet time. In your own sweet time. In your own sweet time.